Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will know about a significant component, gluten, and its association with oats. So let us see, does your favorite oatmeal have gluten? The variety of oats that is gluten-free, that follows with a healthy recipe. Let us begin. Oats are incredibly nutritious grains and a popular breakfast with innumerable health benefits. However, you may be wondering about your favorite porridge breakfast about its gluten content. So, let me clear your doubts about oats and the presence of gluten in oatmeal. Pure oats are gluten-free and safe for people with gluten intolerance. But when it undergoes processing in common mills, it may get contaminated with gluten. Go for gluten-free label when you purchase oats. Now let us see what is gluten. Gluten belongs to a protein family present in grains like wheat, rye and barley that gives a chewy texture in bread and pasta. Gluten may not cause any severe problems to most people, whereas it may be difficult for those who are gluten intolerant since it may cause digestive issues. Researchers prove that eating about 50 to 100 grams of pure oats in a day would not show any adversities to a person with celiac disease or wheat allergy. Now let us know how oats may come under the category of a gluten-free diet. As said earlier, pure oats are gluten-free, but it may get contaminated during harvesting and processing. However, farmers are taking precautions not to mix the gluten-rich grains with oats. And many companies are taking steps to process the grains after adequately cleaning the equipment. Nevertheless, it is not always advisable to believe in the conventional oat labels, as there may be traces of gluten in the packaged foods that may cause side effects to a person with celiac disease. Oats products that are 100% gluten-free may be safe to consume. Now we will prepare a gluten-free oatmeal smoothie. Please note down the ingredients. You need gluten-free rolled oats 2 tablespoons, plain Greek yogurt half cup, banana 1 sliced, natural peanut butter 1 tablespoon, unsweetened almond milk 1 cup, and honey 1 tablespoon, that is optional. Note down the method. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. I hope you will agree with me and include more of gluten-free oats in your everyday diet to remain healthy and free from diseases. Thank you.